Eddie Partridge was the person that had the vision of what you see here now. So we know he's here. We know he's here watching us. We know he's looking down, and we hope he's proud of what we're doing, just trying to keep his legacy alive here at Riverhead Raceway. Since 1985, Riverhead Raceway has been part of the NASCAR Whelen Modified Tour.
256 laps, yes, 100, be smart.
As Eddie Partridge throws the green flag.
And a spin at turn 3 and 4 in front of our leaders.
And for the first time in his career in this event, he's going to win one for his old car owner, Eddie Partridge. Ronnie Silk winning the Ed Partridge 256.